Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Over the week I ordered a power steering rack, power steering pump, and I'll show you in a minute a limiter, which I don't know if you guys have been watching the channel for a while now. You would know that I don't have a limiter, which is here, a little module. I'm gonna get James to wire that in. I'll head over there now. Yeah, I haven't had a limiter the whole time I've owned the car, so it'd be good to get that fixed. And yes, I will be limmy checking instantly. Gotta head down to Super Cheap, grab some power steering fluid as well, and yeah, it'll just be a little video of us doing some repairs to the dirty old VP. So yeah, let's head over there now. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We're nearly at 1,000 subs, I think 851 at the time of recording this. Please hit the subscribe button, be a part of the family, and yeah, see if we can get to 1,000 subs soon. So I'm at James's. That black 7 is having a look at the ECU, getting ready. We're trying to sort out where we're going to put the module. We thought we would tackle the limiter first in case that takes us hours.
Go from there, see how far we get.
Yeah, go from there, see how far we get. How's it going?
Welcome to you.
Remember Guy from the Rotary Revival vid? I don't know if you were in it much.
Probably not. He was floating around.
Yeah. What have you done?
What have I done?
What are you up to?
Interrupted crank angle sensor with the green and yellow wire, direct 12 volt power, and earth, which I'm holding for testing purposes.
So, clicking to on. Turn it off again. Do you want me to actually try and start it?
Start it. I think it's my wire and
Yeah,
connections.
get a connection, then it will start. So, day 2, we couldn't get the limiter sorted yesterday, so we didn't try and do anything else. So today we're going to go around and do Axel's power steering pump, power steering rack. Got new globes that I can put in the front. So yeah, we're going to head back around there and get in it.
Well, can do rack.
Yeah, we'll do rack first. Rack and pump first, yeah. Get that out of the way.
I'll do the racks, will be underneath. Don't want to get dribbled on from the pump.
Do the rack and then, yep.
Yum, yum.
I think my boots are a little worn. All the oil under here. I don't know if you can kind of see all that. Here, still just literally dripping. Look at it. It's leaking from like everywhere possible. So I'm gonna have to get an alignment again, aren't I?
Not necessarily. I'm probably get it close enough that it'll. I mean, you probably should get an alignment, but.
Well, with new boots and everything,
Yeah,
anyway, it might be
depends. Did
smart.
you just get a rack or did you get a rack? Did you get rack ends?
No, I don't think I did.
So it doesn't matter because I'll be taking the rack ends out of this and winding them straight, and the other one will all be the exact same.
Oh look, I don't actually. Ah! And as you can see, both CV boots gone. I've got rubber around the back wheels. Yeah.
Anyway, you see stuff like this, right? Pull it out because it'll work its way under this here.
Why do exhaust gaskets never last that long?
Don't put fucking self-tappers into your tunnel.
I haven't done it, man.
And why have I got a hole on my finger from that one?
I don't know.
Probably holding the center console.
I was about
down.
to say it'd be for the center console. So,
What do you want?
both CVs are out. Got the other CV out as well. Scott's just taken some of the rubber off from our blown tyres on the highway. The old ones, yeah. A little bit done. New one's nice and pretty. So, I got this CV in because I'm a sick cunt. James got that one in because he's an even sicker cunt.
Mechanic.
Heaps more power with these in now.
Oh yeah, at least 15 horsepower.
Yep, no, it's good. No, it's they weigh less and it's less rotational mass on each wheel. Righto, the axles are in, all tightened up. What, 50 Newton meters and then a 40 to 75 degree turn, for any of you wondering. And mark it, as James let me know, because it's a lot easier. I think now under the power steering rack and pump, we'll start with what, this bolt.
Why are you fucking power steering rack lines loose?
Hold up. Power steering rack lines are loose. Both of them or just the one?
Just one. Yeah, just
Could be a lot of fluid coming from there too.
Yeah, I'd say loss of fluid plus driving.
Righto, old rack's out, thanks to James. Boots are a little rooted. Still dripping a bit. New rack here, comes with new rack ends and the bolt and the nut. GoPro's on 3%, so I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get done. So the rack's in.
Shit everywhere.
Me spraying brake cleaner and everything. So there's a lot of shit down here.
5 hours later.
So I don't know if you can see, but new pump is in. Just got to clean it down and then it'll be right, fill it up, bleed the system, and then it'll be right.